I mean, if you guys haven't subscribed to this box already, I hope you are having FOMO, because like it literally gets better every month. Like every month there's just better products. I mean, y'all can see it for yourselves in my previous videos. It's bomb. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today, I am oh, it's upside down. I am going to be unboxing the May Beauty Squad box. Now if you guys haven't seen the March and April versions of these videos, I will leave them down below. I'm not going to literally talk to you guys about how obsessed I am with this concept. I'm literally just gonna unbox the goodies today, try on a few stuff and all that good stuff. So let's get into this. Now obviously every month I'm not going to be able to try on every single product because, you know, there's nail stuff in this box and you know I have acrylics and all that stuff, but I'm going to try on for the most part as much as I can as usual. So firstly we have the deep cleansing enzyme mask from Beauscience. This retails for 375 Rand, which is pretty much almost the value of the box, which is like 400 Rand. I know, it is crazy. If you guys haven't watched my first and second reviews of this box, you better watch it, because like I said, today I'm just getting into the products and we're gonna see what this box has in store for everybody. Now what I really like about this box is the fact that it is so versatile and you have literally so many different kinds of products. It's literally like an ideal beauty box in my opinion. So the next thing we have in this box is the Impress Press On Manicure One Step Gel overlays, and these are really nice. They last so long. When I had natural nails a couple of years ago, I used to use these and they last so long on your natural nails. They literally take some elbow grease to remove, so these are really bomb. If you guys haven't tried these and you have short nails and you want them to be zhuzhed up on a budget, this is the way to go. Next we have these soak off solution soak off set. It comes with like foils and a soak off solution and basically everything you need to soak off gel polish. So I would assume you could use it to remove these gel overlays. Now this is an emergency soak off solution kit. So if you ran a pinch and you have a cracked gelish nail or whatever the case may be is, you can definitely use this. Now this retails for 199 Rand. Also, these Impress stick-on nails retail for 146 Rand, which is actually cheaper than the price of a gelish overlay. We also have a voucher from Beauscience. I'm not going to open it and give my code away. And then we also have an ultra matte lippy from Colourpop. This is in the shade Sizzle. Such a really bomb popping pink color. I mean, I wonder would it be too much if I put it on with this eye makeup. Let's try it anyway. Now these liquid lippies retail for 120 Rand. And the sponsor of these is actually Kiss and Makeup, who I absolutely love. I purchased my James Charles palette from her, and I did use the James Charles palette to obviously, you know, create this makeup look. Ooh, this is like a really pink color. So pretty. And it actually goes well with this eye makeup. Okay, so this is a really awesome lippy that we're getting in the box this month, and the color variation might be different from box to box, so you might not be getting the shade Sizzle, but you'll be getting a shade that's probably just as poppin' as Sizzle. Samples, I got this hair sample. I think we've gotten these samples once before, and I actually haven't tried it yet, but it's like 100% natural ingredients, so I really definitely want to try this out, especially for strengthening this very fried hair. And then lastly there is a Dr. Pawpaw This is a Shea Butter Balm, 100% natural, multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw and shea butter for lips, skin, cuticles, and hair. Fragrance free. Wow. And this is cruelty free and vegan as well. I'm gonna open this. It has a seal on it. The struggle. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. This is meant for your lips as well. Oh, it literally is a balm. This reminds me of like Eucerin Aquaphor or like a, oh, this is, doesn't have any scent. Like I think this one doesn't have any scent, but it's quite thick and nourishing. And it feels really, really good on the skin. So I'm really excited to kind of throw this into my handbag. This is my boring dry hand. And this is the one with the balm on. You can see like the difference in hydration and moisturization. Really impressed by this. And this retails for 99 Rand. So this is actually quite affordable when you think of like multi-purpose balms by some of these big brand house names. This is actually really affordable. 99 Rand? Stop. What? Now there is also a hair product in this box that retails for 100 Rand. Obviously I do work with a specific hair brand, so I'm unable to talk about other hair brands, but there is a hair brand in this box this month, so that's really, really exciting. So that is all the products in this month's squad box. Like I said, you guys, I absolutely love this initiative. I love the fact that you're paying so little for so much of product, and every month's box just keeps getting better and better. Like, can we talk about it though? I am absolutely obsessed. I really have been enjoying the Beau Science mask because, as you guys know, I did get it in my first box as kind of like a teaser to what's up and coming, and it is a very gentle mask on the skin. It is nothing too crazy, and it really just makes your skin look so bright and fresh the next morning, and I really enjoy the mask so far. And yeah, you guys, and that is it for what is in the beauty squad box this month. I cannot sit here and tell you guys how much I enjoy this box and how bomb it is, and how much I love the initiative, how much I love the fact that it is so affordable for the amount of product you get. You guys, it is absolutely crazy. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed. I will link below my 2 previous videos where I rant and rave about this box and where I talk about the previous products in the last 2 months. And yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.